Introducing my Life Reinvention Kit. Hi, I'm Stella. Are you feeling like time slipped away and that it's too late for you to make any changes in your life? Well, that's a lie. I'm here to tell you you can do it. And I put together this Life Reinvention Kit that follows all the steps that I took. It took me 7 years after I divorced at 60 to pull my life together. But these are the main things, these are the nuts and bolts that helped me pull it all together and make some important changes in my life that in helping me to enjoy a beautiful life today. Dreams are powerful, but goals are the roadmaps that make them achievable. This guide will give you the roadmap that you're looking for, and you don't have to do it one after the other. You pick the section that resonates and that's most important for you for where you are in your life today, right now. One of the most important things you have to do is pick it up for yourself. It's on sale for $7. I put the link in the description box. How many times do we go to the dollar store and blow $10 or $20 and it winds up at Goodwill? Well, this won't wind up at Goodwill because you will find yourself on these pages. You will feel the joy that comes with finally knowing what to do and how to get to where you want to be in your life. Don't delay. Pick it up at $7 today because this is the introductory price. It will be going up to $17. It's in the description box. Go and get it today. Thank you so much for being here. See you in my next video.